Hi guys, welcome to Random Code. In this video we are going to see the comparison operators in JavaScript. Basically this comparison operators are used to compare any two values and it is going to return as a boolean value, either true or false, based on the values that we compared. Okay. Now let's get into the video. The first two operators that we are going to see is equal and not equal. Okay, as the name suggests, equal is used to check whether these two values are equal or not. Similarly, not equal is used to check whether any two values are not equal. Okay, I will show it to you with an example. Here I have a file which is containing two variables. Here you can see both the variables are containing same value 100. Okay, let me check whether these two values are same or not. How we can do this? We need to use the first variable. After that we need to specify equal to 2 times. Now you may have a question, why we need to have equal to 2 times? Because if we have single equal, then it is called assignment. Okay, this is assignment operator. Here we are assigning a value. To check equal or not, we need to use double equal. So that is very important. Okay, let me run this file now. Node comparison. See, we are getting true because both this A and B is containing same value, right? What if I have a different value and run this file? Now it is false because both of them are not equal. Similarly, how we can use not equal operator is like, first we need to mention exclamatory. This exclamatory refers to not. Okay, after that we can have a equal. Just single equal is fine. So this will check whether this A and B are not equal. If they are not equal, then it will return true. If I run this, we are going to get true because both A and B has different value. If in case they have same value, then it's going to return false. This is what this equal and not equal does. In JavaScript, we have one more same thing like strict equal and strict not equal. So the difference between this normal equal and strict equal is like, to check normal equality, we will use double equal, right? To check the strict equal, we need to use triple equal to. So what is the difference here is like, this triple equal to will check the type and the value as well. Here both A and B is of number type, right? So if I check this, it is going to return true because A is also number, B is also number, and both of them containing same value. Let's say I am changing this B value to string, but still it's going to contain the same 100 only, but I have changed it to string. If I run this file now, see, we are getting false because even though they have a same value, their data type is different. That's where this strict equal comes into play. If we want to check very strictly, even with their type, we want that type also the same, then we need to use this triple equal to thing. The same concept applies for strict not equal. Here we will again have exclamatory. Instead of single equal, here we have double equal. So this is returning me true because even though they have same value, it is saying me not equal because both of them are of different type, right? So it is considering both of them as different. So it is returning me true. That is not equal. Okay. And the next operators are like greater than and less than. I'm sure you guys will have idea on this greater than and less than, but still I show it to you with an example. This is like to check whether A is less than B or not. If I have B as 200, in this case we have A is less than B, right? If I run this, we are going to get true because A is less than B. Similarly, we have greater than. This is to check whether A is greater than B or not. Here it is false because A is lesser than B. And also we have two more operators like greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. What it does is does the same thing as greater than, but the thing it is going to check for the equal value as well. If I have both as equal, I can simply mention greater than. After that I can specify equal to. Now if I run this file, it's going to return me true because both of them are equal, right? Similarly, we have less than or equal to. This is it with the comparison operators in JavaScript. In my next video, I am going to cover the logical operators in JavaScript. Thank you for watching.